Hey, today we are next to a BMW X1 E84 model. It's the first generation of the X1 series, and I want to show you how to emergency open the car if the battery is completely flat. This shouldn't happen, to be honest, because there's a system that prevents battery drain, but if for some reason it happens, maybe your battery module is defective, or you have some other issues with your battery or your electrical system, and your battery is completely flat, then there is a way to get into your car and charge the battery. So the first thing that you want to do is take your key, press on this little button, and you will have the actual key hidden in the remote in your hand. Now you can unlock the driver's door. You can open it and access the rear handlebar to open rear door. If you have the child protect system enabled over here, there's a switch. Let me show you. If this is enabled, you will not be able to pull on that lever, so you will have to squeeze yourself between front seats to get into the back row. And when you are here, you need to grab on this, fold your rear seats, and access the trunk. So we are accessing the trunk. I hope that I can do this. And over here in the trunk, there's a small plastic bit that you need to grab and pull, and this opens your trunk. With the trunk open, you can just raise the floor and take out the compartment underneath and access the battery. Or you can go the other way, just open the hood, and with the hood opened, you have two terminals over here. This is the negative, and over here is the positive. And as soon as you connect 12 volts over here, you can try to open your car with your remote. Okay, that's it. I hope that this is helpful for you, and good luck when opening your car. Check my other tutorials about BMW and other brands, and see you in future videos.